Hello everyone, welcome to the first session on UPSC EPFO paper that is the very next month. We'll come up with various sessions. As you can see, this is the first session. We'll divide this into multiple parts, catering to all the important topics such as data sufficiency, logical reasoning topics, arithmetic topics such as percentage, ratio, time, speed, distance. Everything we'll try to cover through short conceptual lectures. Today, we would be focusing on remainder theorem, an important concept of remainder theorem, and through which we'll try to target this question which has been asked previously. Now, this question is simply 10 to the power 10 plus 10 to the power 100 plus 10 to the power 1000 plus 10 to the power 10,000 going up to additional 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 0 is what we have. You divide all of this by 9. What should be the remainder? Now, if you notice, this 10 and 9 are consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Numbers with equal gap, n and n plus 1. जैसे यहाँ पे n हो जाएगा आपके लिए 9 and n plus 1 is 9 plus 1 which is 10. Everywhere it is 10 to the power some numbers and divided by 9. So it is in the form of consecutive number set. We have specific rules dealing with consecutive numbers. और ये वैरायटी बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, तो प्लीज पे अटेंशन एंड अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्पेसिफिक रूल. फॉर consecutive numbers such as n and n plus 1, one of them will be the smaller one, and अगर आपने उस पर प्लस 1 कर दिया तो this has to be the larger one. जैसे 2, 3, 9, 10, 3, 4, maybe 100, 101. ये सारे consecutive numbers हैं n and n plus 1, जिसमें एक smaller होगा एक larger होगा. Now the rule says, one of the rules, whenever we are dealing with larger number divided by smaller number, these two being consecutive, you put any power, the remainder is always 1. For example, 3 by 2, 3 आपको दिख रहा है ये larger है और 2 smaller है. 3 square by 2, 3 cube by 2, इन सब का रिमाइंडर 1 होने वाला है. आपको सॉल्व करना, आप सॉल्व करके चेक कर लो. मैं ऐसे ही बोल दे रहा हूँ, ये होने वाला, ये होता है. दिस इज अ रूल, अ फैक्ट. 3 by 2, the remainder is 1, the quotient is also 1. 3 square is 9, 9 by 2 if you do, आपको रिमाइंडर 1 मिलेगा. 3 cube is 27, 27 by 2, आपको अगेन रिमाइंडर 1 मिल रहा है. लेट्स चेक विथ फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स बस इसलिए कि यू गेट यूज टू द रूल. 4 by 3, the remainder is 1. 4 square which is 16. 16 by 3, remainder again 1. 10 by 9, the remainder is 1. 10 square which is 100. 100 by 9, it will go up to 99, तो remainder 1 आ जाएगा. तो इन सारे केसेस में you get the idea that remainder is always 1 if it is in the form of L by S, larger by smaller. क्या हमारे क्वेश्चन में भी L by S फॉर्मेट पे? यस. आउट ऑफ द टू नंबर्स स्मॉलर एंड द लार्जर वन, इट इज़ इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ L by S. L पे पावर कुछ भी आ जाए, बीट 10, बीट 100, बीट 1000 और बीट 10,000, क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है? इन ऑल ऑफ दीज केसेस व्हेन यू डिवाइड द रिमाइंडर्स वुड बी 1. ये तो क्लियर है. जैसे इफ़ आई डू 10 to the power 10 divided by 9, the remainder here has to be 1, है ना? One more thing that we need to understand. जैसे ये question 3 पे power 1 plus 3 पे power 2 is divided by 2 can also be written as 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2 divided by 2. आप अगर इसको normally solve करते हो तो क्या करेंगे आप बोलेंगे 3 square is 9, 9 by 2, that is 12 by 2. 12 is completely divisible, so remainder is 0. शॉर्टकट अप्रोच क्या है? आप रेस्पेक्टिव रिमाइंडर्स निकालो. 3 by 2 L by S फॉर्मेट, द रिमाइंडर इज 1. 3 square by 2 L by S फॉर्मेट, द रिमाइंडर इज अगेन 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 it becomes 2 by 2, the remainder is again 0. ये छोटे वैल्यूज थे, तो यहाँ पे आपको लग रहा होगा ये इफेक्टिव मेथड है ना. वी कैन डू दिस बाय डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेटिंग द वैल्यूज ऑफ 3 स्क्वायर एंड डूइंग इट. बट सपोज दिस इज 3 to the power 100 प्लस 3 to the power 200 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. What would you do here? आप कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे दैट this will give me the remainder as 1, this will also give me the remainder as 1. Upon final, this is 2 by 2, the remainder is 0. We'll check for the next data. We have 4 to the power 1 plus 4 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 3 divided by 3. Respective remainders. 4 by 3 remainder is 1. 4 square by 3 remainder is again 1. 4 cube by 3 the remainder is again 1 by 3. It becomes 3 by 3, the remainder is 0. If I do the simple addition method, 4 square is 16, 4 cube is 64 by 3. 64 and 16 is 80, 80 and 4 is 84, 84 by 3, the remainder is 0. Completely divisible, 8 और 4 12 divisible होंगे इससे. अब समझ में आ रहा है fundamentally why this method is the easiest one. Now we'll use the same concept in our respective question. So this question that we have here, first case, what is the remainder? 10 to the power 10 by 9, the remainder is 1. Second case, 10 to the power 100 by 9, L by S format, any value, the remainder is always 1. ये भी 1 आएगा. Next, 10 to the power 1000 by 9, remainder is again 1. 10 to the power 10,000 by 9, the remainder is again 1. Now we'll have some more data here. Identify करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि वो data क्या हो सकता है. It is going up to 9 times 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. यहाँ पे कितने zeros हैं? 1 2 3 4. तो ये zeros एक एक करके इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0. It will go up to, we'll have 10 to the power 5 times 0, 10 to the power 6 times 0, 10 to the power 7 times 0, 10 to the power 8 times 0 and 10 to the power 9 times 0 is this value. मतलब यहाँ पे उतनी बार zeros होंगे, वो सारे numbers हैं. तो we'll have a remainder 1 here, remainder 1 here, remainder 1 here, remainder 1 here and a remainder 1 for this last one by 9. So this is 9 by 9. The remainder seems to be 0. Option A is our correct one. Now how do we do this quickly in exam scenario? If we know this rule of consecutive numbers, directly I'll see, okay, it is 10 to the power 10 by 9. Remainder इसका 1 आने वाला है. Second case का भी remainder 1 आएगा. How many times these numbers are there? So 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 going up to 9 zeros. That means there are 9 terms and each term is giving a remainder as 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 going up to 9 times by 9. तो 9 by 9 ये बन जाएगा. This is again 0. Within 30 seconds this is pretty much doable. अब ज़रा ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया है, ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो गया है. नाउ देयर इज़ अनदर वेराइटी ऑफ इट. इफ़ इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ S by L फॉर्मेट, तो क्या होना चाहिए आंसर? सपोज द क्वेश्चन वॉज 9 to the power 10, 9 to the power 100, 9 to the power this, 9 to the power divided by 10. So we'll have this rule. Pay attention. If we are dealing with odd powers, है ना, then the remainder is always the smaller number. If we are dealing with even powers, the remainder is again 1. For example, 3 by 2, अगर मैं even रख दूँ इसको, let's say 3 square. 3 square by 2, 3 square is 9, 9 by 2, the remainder is 1. 3 to the power 4 is 81, 81 by 2, the remainder is again 1. 4 square, 4 to the power 4, 4 to the power 16 by 3. In all of these cases, the remainder is 1. Where will the remainder be? s or the smaller number whenever it is s by l format odd power. जैसे 2/3, 2 डिविजिबल है क्या 3 से? नहीं है, तो रिमाइंडर इज 2 विच इज s. 2 क्यूब विच इज 8, 8 को 3 से डिवाइड करो, रिमाइंडर इज अगेन 2 विच इज s here. 3/4, that means 3 to the power 1 which is odd, the remainder is 3 which is s. And 3 cube 27, 27/4, the remainder is again 3. I hope this helps. You have the concept with you. Try to do these two concepts, and with those concepts these questions are very easy to cater. This is our first session. We'll definitely come up with few more sessions. Thank you everyone. Take care. Happy learning.